If Murakami ever made you feel lost, confused, and emotionally drained at 2 am, this video is for you. Hi, this is Prachi, and I have 4 books of Murakami, and we will talk about how to read, and what to expect from Murakami's book. Start here, always. Why? Because this is the most realistic book of Murakami. It has very minimal surrealism, it has emotional depth, and less confusing novel. It helps you understand his themes, that is loneliness, love, loss, and depression. If you don't like Norwegian Wood, Murakami might not be for you, and that's completely okay. If you are comfortable with Norwegian Woods, I will recommend you to read Sputnik Sweetheart. It has soft transition into Murakami's strangeness. Why you should read this novel? It is still emotionally grounded. It has light, surreal elements, short and reflective novel it is, and explores unrequited love and identity. It has a perfect bridge between realism and magical realism. The next Murakami novel you should read is Men Without Women. This is a short story, so you should read slowly, one story at a time. This is a short story novel, so you will have no pressure. It has repeating themes like isolation, masculinity, emotional absence. This book also helps you understand Murakami's mindset rather than the plot. A very important tip to read this book is don't binge this book. Let each story sit with you. Next book is Kafka on the Shore. Read this book in the last, trust me, because it has heavy realism, parallel narratives, symbolism overloaded, and it is not meant to be understood logically. There's very important quotation for Murakami, which is Murakami is not about answers, he is about experience. So, if you start with Kafka on the Shore first or before Norwegian Woods, you will not understand a word. So, अब हमने ये तो देख लिया कि कौन सी बुक कब पढ़नी है. अब हमें ये देखना चाहिए कि मुराकामी के बुक्स को कैसे पढ़नी चाहिए. We have some rules, some do's and don'ts. So the do's are read slowly, let the confusion exist, focus on the mood and not on the logic, and annotate feelings, not symbols. And the don'ts are don't Google meanings mid chapter, don't expect closure from Murakami's books, don't read when you are distracted, and don't force interpretation. जहाँ तक मैंने मुराकामी की बुक्स पढ़ी है, मुझे ये समझ में आया है कि इनकी बुक काफ़ी आइसोलेट कर देती है, काफ़ी कंफ्यूजिंग है और काफ़ी मैजिकल रियलिज़म से भरी हुई है. तो अगर आप कोई आंसर ढूंढने जाएंगे इनकी बुक से तो वो आपको नहीं मिलेगी, आप उल्टा और कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. तो आप इस बुक से आंसर एक्सपेक्ट मत कीजिए, आप बस पढ़िए क्योंकि आप कनेक्ट होना चाहते हैं, आप फील कर पा रहे हैं. तो So it's all about experiences and not about answer. Now we will talk about what to expect from Murakami. Murakami books has lots of male protagonists. It has lots of cats and jazz and classical musics. We will also see dreams inside reality, open endings and quiet sadness. There's a quotation that Murakami writes for people who feel too much but says too little. So that was it for the video. And I would like to know that what Murakami's book you have read. And after watching this video, will you start a Murakami book or not? So let me end this video by a saying which goes like, Murakami isn't for everyone, but if he finds you, he stays with you. So start simple, go slow, and let the weirdness happen.